The Kano State Ministry of Health has pledged to collaborate with Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Kano, on a mutually beneficial areas of development of the state. The State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Aminu Ibrahim Tsanyawa, made the pledge on Wednesday, the 19th of October 2022, when he paid a familiarization visit to the university's permanent site, located along Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo Road, Hotoro GRA, Kano. Tsanyawa disclosed that the proposed partnership would make provisions for MAAUN student internship programs, clinical posting, as well as job placements in the various health facilities of the state. He assured that as soon as all the necessary processes of the signing of the MOU are completed, the documents would be signed so as to make it a reality. Tsanyawa expressed delight for the warm reception accorded him by the management staff of the university and applauded the management for providing high-quality facilities which are comparable to those of the top-ranking universities in the world. He lauded the founder and chairman governing council of MAAUN, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, for establishing the university in Kano and for making education not only a priority but affordable and accessible. Earlier in his welcome address, the president of MAAUN, Kano, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, described the visit as a singular honor done to the university. He expressed preparedness of MAAUN to partner with the ministry for the benefit of the university, the ministry as well as the people of Kano State. In his remark, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, said the university is looking forward to the partnership with the ministry. He noted that the university has met all the requirements in terms of structures, clinical facilities, and laboratories as prerequisite for signing of the MOU. According to him, the collaboration would facilitate students' placement during the internship and other clinical engagements. Also speaking, the director of the AAG Foundation, Dr. Musa Abdullahi Sufi, said that the proposed partnership would yield remarkable results given the level of seriousness of the two parties involved. Sufi, who thanked the commissioner for the visit despite his tight schedule, assured that MAAUN would provide all the technical support needed to sustain the mutual relationship. Some principal staff present at the occasion include the head of International Office of MAAUN, Engineer Bashir Muhammad Garba, Vice President Finance, Dauda Abdrazak Kayode, and Acting Chief Librarian, Dr. Ukasha Hamza, among others.